Looking to build your plumbing toolkit? Here are 3 best-selling tools trusted by plumbers around the world. Pipe wrench, a classic essential. The pipe wrench delivers powerful grip for turning and tightening threaded pipes. Ideal for heavy-duty jobs, it's strong, reliable, and built to last. Adjustable wrench, flexible and easy to use. The adjustable wrench adapts to different nut sizes, making it perfect for a wide range of fittings and valves. A must-have for both plumbing and general maintenance. Basin wrench, designed for tight, awkward spaces. The basin wrench reaches behind sinks to loosen or tighten faucet nuts. It's the go-to tool for faucet installation and repairs. From installations to repairs, these top-selling and essential tools make every plumbing job easier, faster, and more efficient.